Social services and foster care. Why do social services want to put my children in foster care? Social services become involved with families when there are concerns relating to the safety and well-being of any child or children of the family. Concerns can come to light by referrals from several sources, such as anonymous referrals, schools, police, and any other professional involved with your child. After some initial investigations, your family's social worker may advise you that they think your child should be placed in foster care due to continuing concerns for their safety and well-being. How can my child and/or children be placed in foster care if I do not agree with it? If social services want to place your child in foster care and you do not agree to it, then the local authority has to issue care proceedings, as they will need a judge to grant an interim care order, and for that judge to agree to place your child in foster care. How long can my child stay in foster care? If by court order, your child will remain in foster care until the conclusion of the court proceedings, and/or an earlier stage in the case, if the local authority changes their care plan. What are my rights and responsibilities once my child and/or children are in foster care? The local authority will still have to continue to consult with you about all the important decisions relating to your child, including education, health, and religion. You have a right to have reasonable contact with your child when they're in foster care, and the local authority will usually assist with travel costs to promote that contact. How do I get my child and/or children out of foster care? If your child is placed in foster care as a result of care proceedings and decisions made within the family court, you'll have an opportunity at a final hearing to object to them remaining in long-term foster care. If court proceedings have already concluded, you'll need to apply for a Discharge of Care Order, but you would have to demonstrate significant change to your circumstances. A Section 20 agreement gives you consent to place your child outside of your care for a certain period of time. If you change your mind and no longer agree to your child being outside of your care, you need to obtain urgent legal advice from our specialist family care solicitors, to be advised as to the steps involved in withdrawing a Section 20 agreement, and the consequences and considerations in doing so. Do not delay in getting legal advice if social services are involved with your family, particularly if they start to talk of removing the child from your care and control. Our dedicated team of expert family law solicitors will be able to take your urgent instructions and advise you as to your options and next steps. Contact National Legal Service for a free initial consultation today.